So you've got some seeds saved and you're real excited about planting them. How do you store them? Well, some people just wrap them up and leave them on a shelf or leave them in their greenhouse or worse yet in the garden. So seeds are living. Even though they're dormant, they are living. So you have to take some care in keeping them safe. Essentially, you want a dry, dark, cold, oxygen-free environment, and you need to protect against rodents.
Freezer's good.
Freezer's real good, and although not required, you can store your seeds in a cold place like the cellar floor or a cold room. The main thing is that they be sealed up and protected from the depredations of hungry rodents. I speak from first-hand experience and tell you that if you don't, rodents will find your seeds. That's what they eat. They smell them, and they will find them, and they will eat them, and you will be sad. So to review, you need to wrap them carefully, in plastic, and then find them a secondary container. We might fit multiple packages in a jar or a sealed bin with a tight-fitting lid. If you go through all the trouble of saving these incredible heirloom seeds, you want to protect your investment. So be sure to store them carefully.